I'm Ginger Burr from Total Image Consultants, and I'm here to show you how to remove the stress from getting dressed and replace it with more joy and ease. Scarves. You probably have a million. Maybe you wear them, maybe you don't. But if you don't know how to wear them and they're just sitting in your closet, let me show you one of my favorite scarf ties. So the first thing you want with this scarf tie is a very long scarf. And you fold it in half. You put it around your neck. You tuck one end through the loop, you twist the loop, and tuck the other end through. And then what you have here is just a beautiful braided scarf, and it stays in place. So this is kind of a fun little thing, and it really lets some of your wardrobe do double duty. So if you have a top, a sleeveless top in your wardrobe that's kind of, loosey, silky, you can actually turn this into a scarf. Fold it in half, tuck it around your neck, tuck the ends through, and pull. I want to show you one more scarf tie that is unlike anything you've tried before. And this was shown to me by a friend of mine. She's a friend and cabbie stylist, Lisa Keene. It's gonna change the way you look at scarves. You need a big scarf for this, okay? A big rectangular scarf. So you fold it in half, and then you take the folded edges and you tie them in as small a knot as possible, because it will show, and you pull it tightly. And then you look for the opening here, and when you open it up, see those little armholes? That's what you're gonna put on. And there you have a vest. Isn't that fun? So imagine taking this little trick on your next vacation. You could have 3 or 4 scarves in there and have a different vest every single day. Wouldn't that be fun? If you struggle with this is when finding the right stylist can help you create a wardrobe and personal style you love, and can show you how to wear scarves like you've never worn them before.